First time driving the M5.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy, Posted from the Beemer Fam. We're back at it today. It's a beautiful morning out here in Michigan. Sun's coming up. And today, we got to take the beast in for a little service over here at BMW of Farmington Hills. We have a couple recalls we got to do concerning one of the wires to the battery, as well as the blower motor and the wiring for that. So we're going to go ahead and take the car in right now. Things are a little bit different today, though. BMW is actually closed for the most part. Service is open, but due to this COVID-19 outbreak and all the businesses closing down due to Michigan going on lockdown as of midnight this last night, pretty much every business is closed, like I said. So BMW has mostly shut down but kept service open. Thank God for us. So we're gonna go ahead, hop in the beast, get to BMW, see what they got on their lot. I can't do any test driving today since sales is working from home and the showroom is closed, but we can take a look around and see what they have on the lot at least. So without any further ado, let's hop in the car and have some fun. Day one of Michigan being on lockdown officially, the streets are pretty much desolate. There's not many people out. It's good that people are listening to the guidelines, but it's just definitely weird to be driving all through here where there's usually a lot of traffic and there's nothing. There's a couple cars here and there, but this is nice. Wish there was better circumstances, but these are the type of streets this car loves and I earn for. So we on the way there now. We should be there within the next 10 minutes or so. So up here at this Nissan place is actually where I bought this car 3 years ago. A little over 3 years ago. BMW of Farmington Hills, pretty much where we bought every BMW that we have, except for my brother and I's M's, but every car we've bought in the last probably 10 plus years has been from here. Alright, we're here at BMW Farmington Hills getting our service done, and if you see here on this paper, we're getting the positive battery cable done as well as the blower motor wiring. So after today, she'll be up and up on all her shots, ready to go hit the street here for the spring and for the summer, providing that we're allowed to go out. So let's go ahead and take a look outside and see what's going on in the lot. Alright, we're not allowed to do any test drives today because of this whole coronavirus thing. Sales is shut down, only service is open as I said before. But look at what we have here. Austin yellow, M6, beautiful. Let's go take a look inside and see what kind of transmission we're working with over here. Got the competition steering wheel with the blue at the top. Nice carbon fiber insides, yellow stitching to match the paint. That's what I'm talking about. Now some of you guys might have noticed this, but look what we got over here. We got another E92 M3 in all black. Let's go ahead and take a look inside this one real quick as well. This one over here is a DCT, all black interior, chrome brush sidings in there. Looks like it does not have the carbon fiber across the panel. Regular rims on it. Nice overall look. I did see this one online on their website. I think it's going for $33K right now at about 33,000 miles or something like that. So that's actually a pretty good deal. If you guys are looking into getting an E92 M3, go ahead and take a look at that one. Let's see what else we got going on over here. I did see one more thing I want to take a look at least. Ooh, here it is. Ooh, it's a whole lineup. I need to put my paper away so I can actually function and not be fumbling around right now. Look at this beautiful M2 Laguna blue, very, very crispy. Got the nice gunmetal gray rims. Take a look in here. We got carbon fiber. We got the whole setup in there. It is a DCT. It is not a stick. We got the blue stitching to match in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, if it's picking up well. But this is a beautiful car. I was actually looking at getting one of these before the E92 M3. But I will tell you, I am glad I chose the E92 M3. Just because the daily driving aspect, the feel, the smell, the sound, everything is suited for me. And as much fun as I would have had with the M2, let's just be honest, the S65 makes a lot more noise. Yeah, you can boost these mugs over here, but the S65 noise, you can't beat that. But as I'm standing here, as you see, we have an all black M4 carbon fiber front splitter down here. Let's take a look at that bad boy. That thing is clean. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look inside here. We got the M competition seats with the stitching on it, got the colors on it. It is a DCT once again. Most of these cars are going to be DCT. People don't usually get these in stick anymore, unfortunately. But it's also got the carbon fiber lip off the back, as well as a carbon fiber rear diffuser. So if you're looking for an M4, this is definitely one to grab if you want to go and grab one that's fully carboned out, ready to go for you. The only thing it's missing is carbon side skirts. Take a look over here. We got an X4M. Beautiful, beautiful front grille. This is one of the few times I've actually seen one of these in person. So let's go ahead and take a look in here together. We're not allowed to open them up because of the COVID stuff. So take a look in here. We got the red start stop button, the red M1 and M2 buttons accented. You got the red line down the shift knob there. Very pretty, very nice car. We have another back here. We got an X3M here. Oh, we got a, let me check my tone. So we got an X4M here, and we have an X3M here. You can see the slight differences. This is a little more slick looking, where the X3M is a little more boxy. I will say I am liking this X3M right now. The black accents on the orange, really nice. Blue brake caliper covers, nice. Continental Super Sport contacts, nice. Really though, the interior is killer. I like that two-tone pattern right there on the seat. Got all the same red accents that the M4, ooh, got all the same red accents that the X4M has as well. The M1, the M2 button, the start, stop red. I'm not sure if that's stock or an option. I'm sure it's an option, but let me know in the comments. I'm not too up and up on all these new X features. But yeah, this is beautiful. Come around here. You should know it from the front. This is a massive, massive truck. This is the X7. And this is huge. Beautiful interior on this. That is a massive truck. So as you see, BMW of Farmington Hills has a lot on their lot right now. That kind of sounded funny coming out, a lot on their lot. Anyway, they have a lot of options for you if you're looking for M cars or looking for regular BMWs in general. So take a look on their website if you're looking, if you're in the area, if you just want to take a cruise, feel them out. They're very good about doing test drives, making it really easy for everybody. So definitely plug them in. I'm not sponsored by them by any means, but I will say we do a lot of business with them, and they have been very good to us throughout the years. So if you're looking for a BMW place to come, look at all the different models, try them out, talk to people about them, come on up here. This is the spot. Now, that's it for that. We're gonna go ahead and walk around here because I'm getting cold now. Nose is starting to run. Gotta find my wife because we're gonna dip out of here for a few hours while my warranty stuff gets taken care of, and then we're back at it. So I was on my way to see my wife, and I turn around the corner and I'm greeted by another black M4 here. Very, very nice. Then I also have another M4, Austin yellow. Love it. Blue brake calipers to match the M color. Very, very nice. We got an F80 M3 in white. Beautiful. Nice and clean too. Loving the seats, DCT. Not as much loving that, but nice carbon wing off the back. Really like that. But then we come over here and we got an F10 M5. Got them lined up over here today. Nice black, simple interior, all black. Like I said, they got a lot of options up here if you're looking. Now, this is what I was going to try to do a test drive on today. We got the Z4 right here in the beautiful blue. Take a look at that color. The black side fins here. Nice pop. Beautiful interior. It's what you'd expect from Beemer. Not too big of a fan of the rag top. I'm more of a hard top kind of person, but this thing is beautiful. Definitely recommend you guys take a look at one of these. Alright, now I'm actually on my way out of this piece. Just too easy to get distracted in a target-rich environment such as this. So I came around back and I found this. Beautiful, full carbon fiber front with the active arrow in there. Wrapped in about a satin gray with the M colors on it. It is a DCT. Has a roll cage in the mug, big wing off the back, and it is a GTS. This is a beautiful car right here. This is crazy. Look at that shot. Ooh wee. Beautiful piece of machinery here with, you know, this car. We got an M6 right here, V10 baby. Got the, I don't even know what color tone this is, some type of silver. Y'all can put it in the comments. I'm not sure the color code, but it's got like a wood grain dash going on. It is a DCT. Got the rag top so you can take the top off, enjoy this glorious V10 sound with the top down. Got the pipes back here. Beautiful car. Always love an M6, whether it's a coupe or drop top. Y'all already know what I prefer, but either way, that V10, that S85 sings. So definitely a great cop. It's really nice to be around all these BMWs and see what's going on up here. And look, we got another M4 over there. They just don't stop. They got M's on deck up here at Farmington. Alright, so I just picked up my car from service. It was actually pretty fast. It took less than 2 hours for everything. So by the time I got home, finished some food, they was already ready for me to come back. So here I am, bada bing, bada boom. Everything smooth, got my papers here, ready to go. So without further ado, let's skedaddle up out of here and hit the highway. how you make music. Alright, now we're back home finally, safe and sound, car tucked away in her slumber spot. It is definitely weird how empty the streets were today due to this lockdown that we have going on. But I really appreciate you guys spending some time with me, checking in on me. And I hope everything's going well for you guys. You guys stay safe, stay positive. And I'll check in with you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I love you all. Peace.